If only I could. Yes, guys, and welcome to today's video. Today, we are going to do something made by Rubik's. However, it's not the normal Rubik's Cube. So basically, turn it on.
Press blue to play light speed. Press yellow to play rapid recharge.
So you get the idea. And what we're going to do today is play green, which is pattern power, I think. So yeah, let's just get started. Where's the on button? Come on, there it is.
Press blue to
There's green.
pattern panic. Green,
So then press green, and then it'll go green,
red,
green,
5,
red.
green, red, orange,
Play this once.
red, orange, green, green, red, orange, green, blue. 5, level 2 unlocked.
Dun, 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 dun.
Red, orange, green, blue, yellow,
Green, red, orange, green, blue, yellow. Oh!
red, orange, green, blue, yellow, silver, box, green, red, orange, green, blue, yellow, silver, red,
No!
correct. Press blue,
Shut up, you stupid thing.
yellow to play.
Let's play again. Well, that wasn't extremely successful. Okay.
Press blue to play light speed.
Play a different one.
Level 1. 30 seconds.
So you just got to find the ones that are on. Shut up. Don't talk to me. Ah!
2, 1. You got 88% correct. Level 2 unlocked. 30 seconds.
Come on, where's the lights? Sugar sausages.
20.
Don't ask me what I meant by that, but... Ah! It's so difficult because they go away when you're just about to press them.
4, 3, 2. You got 90% correct.
90%!
Unlocked.
Bam!
30 seconds.
Where's the lights? There.
20.
There. Oh my lord. No! Ah!
5, 4, 2, 1. You got 80% correct. Level 4 unlocked.
Yes! Level 4.
30 seconds.
No! Sometimes just guess.
20.
Ah.
20.
Where's the lights?
10.
Oh no, O'Neill.
2, 1.
Oh my god, thank God. Whew. I think I should stop raging at this now. Oh my god. That was close. I thought that was done. Anyways, as you can see, I don't know really. This wasn't sponsored. Like I'd get sponsored by Rubik's or the other way around or something. I don't even know. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, like puzzles and stuff, I've got Simon's Swipe just here. I'll do that in another video, but with a twist or something, I don't know. With a forfeit or something, I don't know. But yeah, just leave a comment down below if you want more stuff like that. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you did like this video, please leave a like rating, subscribe, and I'll catch you. Right?